Students, today we are going to learn comprehensive problems on admission of a partner. Look at the problem. Amir and Raja are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Their balance sheet as at 31st December 2018 given. Liability side, capital, Amir capital, Raja capital, reserve fund is given, creditor is given, asset side, machinery, furniture, debtor, stock, prepaid insurance, cash at bank are given. Yes. Rohit is admitted as a new partner. So the new partner is Rohit, who introduces a capital of 30,000. So Rohit brings 30,000 as his capital for his 1/5 share. He brings a 10,000 as his share of goodwill. So Rohit brings 30,000 as his capital, 10,000 as his share of goodwill. Okay. Following revaluations are made. 1. Stock is to be appreciated. So stock value, what happened? Increases. Stock is to be appreciated to 14,000. It is an profit item because stock is asset. Asset value increases. It is a profit item. Furniture depreciated by 5%. So furniture is an asset. Depreciated means decreased. It is a loss item. Machinery revaluated at. Students, one important tip I am going to give you. If buy is given, we can take that value. Revalued at 2. Revalued at 2 is given, we have to compare then take value. If buy is given, we can take the value. Revaluated at R2 is given. What we have to do? We have to compare and take. Here, stock is to be appreciated 2 is given. So what we have to do? Already stock value how much? 10,000. So 2 is given. What we have to do? We have to compare. Already stock 10,000, now stock value 14,000. So stock value increases by 4,000. Okay. Furniture depreciated buy is given. If buy is given, we can take the value 5% on furniture. Then machinery revaluated at is given. What I said, revaluated at 2 is given, we have to compare. So revaluated at, machinery revaluated at 80,000. Already machinery how much? 60,000, now revaluated at 80,000. So what happened? Machinery value increases. It is a profit item. Next, prepare necessary ledger account. Here they are not asking journal entry. We are going to prepare ledger accounts directly. So prepare necessary ledger accounts and balance sheet after the admission of a partner. Now first we are going to prepare the revaluation account. As far as revaluation account concerned, we have to consider only the adjustment. Yes, stock appreciated to 14,000. Already stock how much? 10,000. Now increased to 14,000. So 4,000 is a profit item. So profit item should be credited. Stock increases by 4,000. Then furniture depreciated buy is given. If buy is given, we can take this value. So furniture how much? 4,000. On 4,000, 5% is 2,000. It is loss. So debit side losses are recorded. Credit side profit items are recorded. So to furniture, 2,000 rupees. How we calculated 2,000? 5% on 40,000 is 2,000. Machinery revaluated. Revaluated is given. What we have to do? We have to compare. Already machinery shows 60,000. Now it shows 80,000. What happened? Machinery value increases. It is a profit item. By machinery, how much increased? 20,000. It is a profit item. What I said, buy is given, we can take the value. Revaluated at 2 is given, we have to compare and take the value. So now I am going to balance the revaluation account. Credit side is heavier than debit side. So the balancing amount 22,000. This is revaluation profit transferred to old partner capital account, namely Amir capital and Raja capital in old ratio. Old ratio is 3:2. 3:2. So 22,000 into 3/5. 22,000 into 2/5. How much? 13,200 goes to Amir. For Raja, 8,800. 8,800. So 13,200 goes to Amir capital. 8,800 goes to Raja Capital. So we completed preparation of revaluation account. Then we are going to prepare capital account. I said earlier, when we prepare revaluation account, please go through the adjustment. When we prepare capital account, you should go through problem from beginning to end. Okay, I am going to prepare capital account. There are 3 partners, Amir, Raja, and new partner is Rohit. Okay. First we will take opening capital. Opening capital recorded in the credit side of capital account. By balance BD, Amir capital 80,000, Raja capital 70,000. Then we have to search general reserve. Here given. It is in the liability side. Always it will be in the liability side. It will go to the credit side of capital account. Value how much? 15,000. It should be divided in old ratio. Old ratio is 3:2. So 3:2. So 15,000 should be divided in 3:2. 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So 3 times. So 9,000 goes to Amir. Remaining 6,000 goes to Raja. Then first we will take capital. Then we will take a reserve fund. Then we have to search the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account may be given in the liability side or asset side. Here in liability side or in liability side as well as in asset side not given. Profit and loss account not given, so we can leave it. We can go to the adjustment. Rohit is admitted as a new partner who introduces a capital of how much? 30,000. So Rohit brings his capital. Since they have bank account, the entry is bank account data to Rohit capital. So by bank goes to Rohit capital. Next, who introduces capital of 30,000 for his 1/5 share, he brings 10,000 as his share of goodwill. So the new partner brings goodwill. The entry is bank account data to Amir capital and Raja capital. It will go to the credit side. So it goes to credit side by bank. It should be divided in sacrifice ratio. In this case, no sacrifice is given. No sacrifice is given. We can assume old ratio as sacrifice ratio. So old ratio is 3:2. The goodwill how much? 10,000 should be divided in sacrifice ratio. We considered old ratio as sacrifice ratio. For Amir 6,000. For Raja 4,000. Then revaluation items. Revaluation items are not included in the capital account. We will take revaluation profit. Where it will go? It will go to the capital account credit side by revaluation. By revaluation value for Amir 13,200. For Raja 8,800. Now I am going to balance it. Already I totaled for Raja 1,08,200. For Amir, for Raja 88,800. For Rohit 30,000. $88,800, 30,000. 30,000, 88,800, 108,200. To balance CD by balance PD 108,200, 88,800, then 30,000. After this, we have to prepare one more important account called bank account. We have to prepare one more ledger account called bank. Bank opening balance. Bank opening balance given in the old balance sheet. How much? 20,000. Then new partner, he brought capital how much? To Rohit capital. To Rohit capital, he brought 30,000. Then the new partner, he brought goodwill. It was shared by old partner Amir and Raja. Amir capital and Raja capital. How they will share goodwill? 6,000, 4,000. Opening bank 20,000. Rohit capital 30,000. Rohit brought 30,000 as capital. Then Rohit bought goodwill that shared by old partner. Now I am going to balance the bank account. Its value 60,000. Now we are going to prepare new balance sheet. Okay, we'll go through with the asset side. First item, machinery. First item is machinery. The old value 60,000, now it was increased. How much increased? Machinery revaluated at 80. So how much increased? 20,000. So total machinery value 80,000. Then furniture. Furniture old value 40,000 minus it has adjustment depreciation at 5%. Furniture has adjustment. How much? 2,000. Balance 38,000. Then we have debtor. For debtor no adjustment. We can write the old value. Then stock. Stock we have adjustment. The old value 10,000. Stock is to be appreciated too. So stock also what happens? Increases. So appreciation. How much increased? 4,000. So total stock value 14,000. Then prepaid insurance, no adjustment. We can write as usual. Prepaid insurance value 40,000. Then bank, cash at bank will take from the bank ledger account. How much will come? 60,000. Then we will move to the liability side, capital. Capital. Now how many partners? There are 3 partners. First one Amir, second one Raja, third one Rohit. We'll take new capital. So Amir capital, new capital 108,200. Raja new capital 88,800. Then Rohit new capital 30,000. Total capital of 3 partner 2,27,000. Then reserve fund already it was transferred to the partner capital account. It will not come to the new balance sheet. Then creditor. Then creditor, its value 35,000. After considering all adjustment, go to the adjustment. Raja is admitted as a new partner who introduces capital. How much? 30,000. This capital credited to the capital account and debited to the bank account. Then he brings 10,000 as his capital, as his share of goodwill. So new partner brings goodwill. It should be credited to the old partner capital account in sacrifice ratio, the same value debited to the bank account. Then revaluation item, stock appreciated, that was recorded. Then furniture depreciated, that was recorded. Machinery revaluated, that is also recorded. Then we did all adjustment. Now I am going to balance it. The liability side total balance 2,62,000. Asset side balance also 2,62,000. Students, we completed the first comprehensive problem on admission of a partner. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.